Safety announcement. Effective flight communication. Introduction. In-flight announcements are critical for ensuring passenger safety and compliance. Flight attendants must deliver clear, concise message that build passenger confidence and preparation. This presentation covers the essentials of making effective safety announcement and enhancing communication during flight. Number 1. In-flight safety announcement overview. Importance of clear communication. Clear communication helps passengers understand crucial safety instruction quickly using simple language, and calm tone ensures everyone, regardless of their background, comprehends the message. Effective announcement reduce passenger anxiety and prepare them to the emergency confidently. Timing and delivery techniques. Timing is key to maintaining passenger attention. Announcement should be timely, neither rushed nor delayed. Flight attendants should practice proper pronunciation, maintain eye contact, and use appropriate volume to enhance message clarity and passenger engagement. Use of visual aids and demonstration. Visual aids enhance passenger understanding, providing clear step-by-step guidance. Flight attendants use safety cards and physical demonstration to complement verbal instruction. This multi-sensory approach ensures passengers grasp critical safety procedure, improving overall preparedness and compliance during emergency. Number 2. Key components of safety announcement. Seatbelt instruction and usage. Passenger must be clearly informed about the importance of fastening seatbelt during takeoff, landing, and turbulence. Flight attendants should demonstrate how to properly buckle and unbuckle a seatbelt, stressing the need for continuous use when the seatbelt sign is eliminated. Emergency exit and procedures. Announcement should identify all emergency exits and explain their locations relative to passengers sitting. Flight attendants must instruct passengers on how to operate exit doors and emphasize the importance of following crew direction during operation to ensure safety and swift exit. Use of oxygen mask and life vest. Passengers are instructed on the timely deployment and correct use of oxygen mask and life vest. It is crucial to advise securing one's own mask before assisting others and explaining vest inflation procedures. Ensuring passenger confidence in handling these critical safety tools. Conclusion. Effective safety announcement combine clear communication, visual aids, and practical demonstration. Flight attendants play a crucial role in ensuring passengers understand and comply with safety protocols. Majority of these elements significantly enhance in-flight safety and passenger confidence through the journey. Maybe that's it for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.